right, so we have another beautiful model, and we're going to do a short Pixie BoB style for our beautiful model. So with this model, it's going to be a very easy section. So I started from the side. This is going to be your first section. And then the second one right here. And then it has to be 45, and then from the nape area. So that section has to be the same size as this. It's about like a ½ inch, I would say. No more than that. And that's it. So basically you have 1, 2, 3. That's it. So to start the first section, it's very important your client, your model has to be 45. That's a perfect position right now. And this is going to be a first cut. You twist it, and then you chop it off right here. That's it. Okay, and then after that you create a very soft texture on the top, very soft. Your scissors just will touch it. Okay, so you create a very soft texture on the top of the hair. So as you could see right now, see how soft it is? And then you create a beautiful curve right there. Okay, so then you go the next section, about ½ inch, remember? That's very important. Okay. Still remember, 45. Then you start with the first section. That's number 1. Number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? Then you grab your guideline, which is right there, and then from up to down. Then the next one, from up to down. That's your guideline. Next one, from up to down. You see, you create a beautiful texture. Same thing. Same thing with this side. Your guideline. Always make sure your hair has to be wet. Okay, so after this section, so you can keep it straight now. And then you go again another ½ inch sectioning. That's very important. Okay. This is going to be, always start with the middle first. That's very important. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, if you remember by that section, we was going from up to down. So now we change the position. We go from down to up. That's your guideline. from down to up. Then you go the next one. Okay, one from the middle, two, three, 4 and 5. Again. From down to up. All right, so this is the very important section. So you twist it. This is your guideline right here. You put them together. You see, that's your guideline right there. And then you chop it off. Perfect. So then we start for the side. So has to be straight, ½ inch. Okay, you make a 2 section. This is your guideline. Okay, then we go to the next one. So you bring it back and then you chop it off. You bring it back. That's your guideline. You chop it off. Then the next one, you bring it back. Then we go to the other side. then you bring it back. This is your guideline. Everything comes toward your face, your client, your model. And then you go to the next one, to the left. And then the same technique, you repeat it for this side. Instead of this, you go this way. That's very important. You take it out and shake it. Catherine. From short to long. That's all supposed to be like that. From short to long. Short to long. Or gorgeous Catherine. So stay tuned. We're gonna style the hair and come back and you could see the final cut. Thank you.